Hi guys, this video is going to be about how to disable apps. Now, just before we start though, I would like to suggest you subscribe to my channel. You can find some pretty useful videos on there. All you got to do is hit the bottom right hand corner of your screen. There is a link there. Now, disabling apps is kind of like a alternative to rooting your device. And the main reason why people root their devices is because they don't want the Samsung apps that it packs into your device on top of Android itself. So what they do is they root the device and then they are allowed to delete those apps, things like Video Hub, Game Hub, things like that. Now for the people that don't have the knowledge or maybe don't feel confident rooting your devices, this is another option that you have. Now what happens is disabling your app means that any app that you are not happy with, that you don't want to use, will not run at all in the whether that be background processes for that app or any services. So all you do is you hit the settings menu, you go down to Applications Manager, and then if you scroll across to running, you'll see all of the apps that are running in the background. Okay, so at the moment I have quite a few. Now some of these I don't use, things like suggest I don't use at all, but it is running in the background and it's using one process. Well, it has one process running and one service, which is taking up 3.7 megabytes of my RAM. Now that's RAM that you could be using elsewhere, or even make your phone or other device faster. So what I do is, all you do is you go onto suggest, you stop the process. First of all, it'll give you a message to say if you stop this service, some features of your device may stop working correctly until you power it on, you power it off and then on again. So if you hit the OK button, we're not going to power it on, we're going to go across again to the All tab there, and then we're going to go on to S. Now these are all at the moment the default sorted into alphabetical order. You can go on the bottom menu and sort into size if that's your preference. So we're just going to go down to S. Yes, now there we go. So that's S suggest there. So you go into that, and what I normally do is I force it to stop. It'll just say if you force stop an app, it may cause errors, but we know that I don't use this app, so any errors would only be with applications that try to access this. So then if you force it to stop there, and then it has a what you have the option to clear the data. What we'll do that now. It'll just say all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts, databases. So that's fine, we're happy with that. And then you have the option to disable it. So if you hit the disable button, it'll just say disabling built-in apps may cause errors in other apps. That's what it means about other apps, that if they try to access this app for whatever reason. For example, if you're playing a game and it says look at other games suggested in suggest, then it will then come up with an error, say that it can't open it because it's been disabled by myself. So that's fine. Now then the disable button will then turn into a enable button, allowing you to enable it in the future, and that's it. That's all you got to do. So if you go back and you go into running, it won't show as suggest, and when you turn your device on and off, it will not start back up again. Okay, now you can do this with things like Google Mail. I've had a few questions where users have been asking how to delete Google Mail. Unfortunately, you can't delete it. You can only, if I just show you, so that's the standard Google Mail that comes up here. Where's my mail? Oh, here. So basically Google Mail, you with these devices you get Mail and Google Mail. With Google Mail, obviously it's only the Google Mail email account that can come up with email. You can set up different ones now. There's no need for both. Basically you can hook up a Google email account with the email app, so you can disable Google Mail. You can't uninstall it if it's not been rooted. Again, for rooted devices you basically just have root access, which means that you can do anything on the device. It doesn't stop you or anything like that. So that is disabling applications on the Samsung Galaxy S3. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.